What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Dior, and I'm back with more.
Your body like the tropics. Girl, you are the hot topic. No lie, no lie. Your body like the tropics. Girl, you are the hot topic. No lie, no.
So I just want to say first and foremost, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if you're new, hey, what's up? My name is Danny. I like to eat, do my hair, and get cute, go nowhere. Period. Pool. Today, as you can see, it is Vlogmas Day 2, and I only have 24 Christmas ideas because it is the second day of Vlogmas, and I just feel like if you're watching it right now, you really can't do 25. Okay. But yeah, this is also my first year doing Vlogmas This is my first year doing Vlogmas, and I know it's probably many other YouTubers' first year. So I just took it upon myself to create a list of ideas that's very Christmassy, get you in the mood, get you in the spirit. And also, by doing some of these videos, you might gain you some subscribers. So keep watching. First one, of course, is a wish list. Wish list is basically you just come up with a list of stuff that you want. Or they call it a gift guide or whatever. So I know me, 17, about to turn 18, I know that I might like some things, and my viewers who are around my age, they might be attracted to the same things. So they're like, oh, I can ask for that. Those videos, they always do number. So if you need a video that's gonna be like, that's the one. Number 2 is your worst 3 gifts. When I say worst, I don't mean like it was just a bad gift, because you don't want to bring anybody down, but worst as in like it was just crazy, like you don't know what you're supposed to do with it, didn't make sense, stuff like that. Idea number 3 is a Christmas story time. This can either be happy, sad, amusing, just anything that happened around the holidays that will make you be like, okay, well, this is a good story to tell. Story times, they are also another banger. They will do good if the story is amusing. Number 4 is DIY Christmas gifts. Do it yourself, because there's some folks out here who really be broke. Yeah, DIY, because not everybody has the funds or even the time to go to stores and go shopping. So you can just make a little video on showing what you like to do or something that you can create for somebody and save money. Number 5 is Get Ready With Me Christmas Edition. So Christmas Edition is basically just you waking up Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, whatever, putting some drip on, you know, showing folks behind the scenes what it's like at your house or wherever you stay, just showing you getting ready. Number 6 is Christmas decor. So whether this is your home, your room, your dorm, your car, anything that you stay in a space for day to day, that's a good thing, because people also love seeing people decorate stuff or redo or rearrange. So if you have some Christmas decorations that you haven't put up yet, record it while you do it. Number 7 is Fave Christmas Movies tag. So this means any Christmas themed movies that you like to watch around the holidays, or just some movies that are cozy that you like to binge watch because you know you don't have school or work. So number 8 is the Gingerbread house contest. So basically this is just you and somebody else, or like 2 different groups building gingerbread houses, and whoever does it the fastest and the neatest, they win. Self-explanatory. Number 9, Christmas playlist. So this can be a collection of Christmas music or just R&B, gospel, whatever you like to listen to during the holidays. Just soothing, mellow music. Fortunately, you putting songs in your videos, it's 9 times out of 10 gonna be copyrighted if it's by somebody famous. And even if you do give them credit, the funds from your video, if you do make them, they're still gonna go to the owner. So just beware, if you do that video, just make sure it's for fun, because you're gonna stress yourself out trying to figure out where your coin went. Number 10 is a Christmas clothing haul. Basically, this is just any winter clothes that you order. It don't have to be Christmas or festive clothing, just clothes either from Fashion Nova, Shein, Pretty Little Thing. And also, if you want to make it, you know, razzle dazzle, you can go ahead and create a lookbook for Christmas. So that is another one I know is gonna do numbers, so y'all just make sure you look out for that. 11 is putting up the Christmas tree. If you happen to have Christmas tree and you haven't put it up yet, make sure you just record yourself putting it up, putting ornaments on it. People love watching those videos as well. I feel like anything to do with decor, clothes, or anything else, people are going to eat it up. So you make sure you plan those out and you do it at your best, okay? Number 12 is Christmas budgeting tips. Like I said, folks be broke out here. So if you have a budgeting plan to help you save money and you're like, okay, well, I have enough funds set aside for Christmas, this, da da da, go ahead, put that in the video because people are gonna need that. Once again, our people. So if you have a budgeting plan, like I said, just go ahead and tell it to the folks, record it, edit, boom, that's the video. 13 is stocking stuffer ideas. So if you guys celebrate Christmas, have like a fireplace or just wherever really, and you hang stocking stuffers, this is a good video for you. So it can either be for him, for her, mom, dad, whoever. So if you know you're good at like compiling gifts, but like little gifts, that is a good video. 15 is how to wrap gifts. If you're anything like me, Shadi, you don't give a hoot about wrapping gifts for real because it's just gonna get ripped anyways. But if you're one of those people who are very precise, I highly recommend recording that video because things like that is very satisfying to watch. I know, well, for me. So if you're good with it, go ahead and record it. Teach somebody a thing or two. 15 is your fave Christmas tradition. Basically, this is just anything that you and your family or you and your friends or you and whoever, if you celebrate anything during the holidays, this is the time to record. Maybe somebody else has the same tradition, or if they don't, maybe they want to start it. So that's a good one. 16 is last minute gift ideas. If you're one of the people who procrastinate and you want to buy something December 24th, 11:59, then just go ahead and record it. Or just something that you can make in your house since it's last minute and put on the internet because people are gonna eat that up. Yo. 17 is Christmas makeup looks. So if you're an MUA or you just like playing in makeup, this is also a good video. So you can really show your creative side, especially, you know, reds, greens, nudes, all that. If you're good at makeup, don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. 18 is your fave Christmas recipes. If you like to cook or clean, I know some families, they probably don't even eat like homemade food on Christmas. They probably go out to eat. So if you know how to cook and you feel like you could throw down in the kitchen, share it with the world. 19 is quarantine Christmas. Activities to do at home while in quarantine during Christmas. So if you want to do a movie night with your family, or you just want to have a snowball fight if it's snow where you at, just anything Christmas related, just record it because clearly we can't really do anything or we can't do much. So whatever you can do, have fun, record it, boom. Number 20 is Christmas shopping vlogs. So if you decide to actually go, you know, outside, not online shopping, go ahead and record yourself. Make sure whoever you're buying for doesn't see the video. Shopping, so if you want to go to the mall, record, see what you find, try on stuff, anything. Like I said, folks, all this stuff I'm naming, 9 times out of 10, folks don't eat this up. Your channel is bound to grow, trust me. 21 is hosting a Christmas party. I know me personally, I'm not a party person, but if it's like with my close friends, I'll go. So if you want to host something with your like closest friends, like a little kickback or whatever, do that. And number 22 is a 2020 reflection. Basically just a rant or a chat or whatever you want to call it about how your year went, how it went for you, your insights, just anything that you want to speak before you just kick the year to the curb, because I know I'm ready to get ready to 2020. Number 23 is the Xmas giveaway. Number 23 is the Christmas giveaway. I actually plan on doing a giveaway at 10,000 subscribers, but if I'm feeling generous, I might just give away for Christmas. Also, like I said, if you have the funds to do it, then why not? So that is also a very good video. And then people are going to be more inclined to watch because I feel like if they see the word giveaway or prize, they definitely going to be paying attention to your videos to make sure that they don't miss out. Ain't that right? And last but certainly not least is Get Ready With Me Christmas Day. So this is just you waking up, just showing you your little hoorah, your gifts, whatever, how you get cute, how you get ready, and just have fun. Just hang with your fam, your friends, whoever you hang with them and have fun. But unless y'all been living under a rock, you know I'm gonna promote my business. This is a lash style Jody, currently $5. And this is my Playboy chain. Doesn't tarnish or fade. Had it on since August. Hasn't broke. Hasn't changed color on me. And it's only $10. So y'all make sure y'all tap in because I will be raising the prices back pretty soon. But if all hearts and minds are clear, that wraps up for this video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be back with more. Bye, Dior Dynasty.